My first question is in relation to the approval process for vaccines. Obviously, without domestic manufacturing capacity, we rely upon imports. And so it is out of necessity really important to approve these vaccines as quickly as possible. Now, a constituent of mine, Dr. Doan, reached out to say, why has there been a delay in approving AstraZeneca? And when we look at the EU and Australia and the UK, why in a crisis situation like this, a global pandemic, would we not rely upon not a single international regulator, but where there are a collection of trusted regulators, three that I've referenced? Why would we not expedite the approval on that basis of these critical vaccines?
Maybe I can start and turn to Deputy Lucas. Thanks very much, MP Erskine-Smith and Madam Chair. Quite frankly, the answer is that we're not comparing apples to oranges in many cases. So, for example, AstraZeneca can be produced in multiple sites across the world. And when Health Canada does an approval, it's looking at not just the efficacy of the vaccine, the safety of the vaccine itself, but also the manufacturing data that goes along with where the doses destined for Canada will be produced, along with even data on the individual lots that Canada is purchasing. So it seems like we're all approving the same vaccine, but in fact, a vaccine produced in India versus a vaccine produced in the UK versus a vaccine produced in the US may all have different manufacturing data that needs to be analyzed and analyzed through the lens of safety. And I will turn to Deputy Lucas to fill in a few more details.